Respected teachers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will explain how to schedule your class in a private channel. Before you are joining the team through general. So we were facing problems. So now Alhamdulillah problem has been resolved. So now go to your team and this private channel. I am taking ICT computer. So only we will set schedule lesson for this through our private channel only. Okay, so I will explain in easy steps, so please follow these steps and implement. It is very easy. Okay, so no need to be worried. So click on this your channel. For example, your channel is mathematics, so you will go there. Your channel is Islamiyat, go there, click here and get emails first. Okay, so ICT computer graphics 9D, it is getting the emails of this group. Copy, again click on this channel, go to advanced settings, and only members of this team, mean who are in ICT graphics. In 9D all are taking ICT and graphics, but other classes where Tarbiyah Islamia for Arabs and non-Arabs channels are there, so that is helpful for them. Okay, and we will communicate through our channels only. That will be now more easy and there will be no disturbance as well. So only members of this team and save. Okay, so we have done these two steps. Now go to your Outlook. We have configured your Outlook account on your laptops. So go to your account, Outlook email account. This is my email account. Okay, so now click here, new email, and open this new email, new items, and then team meetings. So you will go to the new items, then team meetings, teams meeting. Okay, click here. This window will open. Here title 9D ICT. Sorry, it is give caps 9D ICT. Okay, so Control V. So this is the email address of that private channel, ICT computer graphics. So in required field, don't click on required, just click here in front of the required and paste here. Okay, then Salman Khan, vice principal. Okay, Miss Safi, this one, and Sir Nazar. Okay, you can add more. Managing director Sir Asif Khan. You add all the top management invitation here. Now timings. I want to take class, for example, tomorrow 8 o'clock, and for example it is second period will start at 8:45. 8:45 a.m. Okay, see 8:45 a.m. and when you will finish 9:30 a.m. Tuesday, and same day 9:45, 40 minutes class, 45 minutes class, and make recurring. See, this will come. So daily weekly. So in our scenario, we are taking this class every Tuesday, second period, weekly. So then this setting, for how long you want. For example, we want for 1 month, 2 months, or 1 term. You select no end date. So we will see this first term. It will continue like this until there is a change in timetable. Okay, then we will change here. Then we will change the set this. The meeting details will go. So send it. Okay, now go to the MS Team. Click here 9D, this one, computer graphics. We will see. So meeting link is here available. Muhammad Ayaz via email, ICT computer graphics. See, top management names are coming here, and students, background student system will send. Those who are member of this group, system will send email, link to those. They will see the link in their account. So 9D ICT join meeting link is here. So when there is your class, you go in your channel and click here, you will join the class. Okay, so you here go in Teams, then your channel, then go here, meeting option. So it will open this window for you. You are the organizer here, so select these two options please. Who can bypass the lobby? If you want that students can join your class before you, then select people in my organization. When you will log in, students will be there. That's why some teachers are saying that when we enter into the class, they have started group discussions, and they are talking, noise is there. So people in my organization can bypass the lobby. Even you know are still outside of the class, you didn't join, but they join your meeting room, they are in classroom. If you want to stop them, select only me. When you log in, and then they will message will come, participant right side, you will allow them, you will click one by one and allow them. And who can present? Not everyone. Please be careful, don't select this, otherwise they will mute your mic and they can even remove you from the team. Okay, and they can take the control of the meeting. So only me. So these two options. First, if you want to let them join, then people in my organization. If you don't want, you want to allow them, then select this. And you are the presenter, you have the control, so select this only me. Save this. Done. Close the browser. So now schedule has been done. It is complete now. So without any fear, you can start your meeting when your time starts. So control is with you, and you are full-fledged presenter, class, your teacher, and full class is under your control. So here I must say ICT department is working round the clock. They are helping you. I will say the name also. Mr. Rashid is working a lot, Miss Shahla Shoaib, Miss Shazia, Miss Rajima from primary section. We all are helping the teachers, and we all are trying to prepare the guidelines and training videos so that they don't face problem. Okay, So your success is our success. Okay, so please, if you like our efforts, so please write comments and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.